In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Google Chrome in Windows 10. If you want to remove Google Chrome from your Windows 10 computer, the process is very simple, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. This method uses the control panel, which is one of the most direct ways to uninstall programs in Windows. To begin, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. This is where you can search for apps, settings, and system tools on your computer. Once the Start menu opens, type in Control Panel. As you type, Windows should show the Control Panel in the search results. When you see Control Panel, click to open it. This will bring you to a window where you can manage many parts of your computer, including installed programs. Inside the Control Panel, look for the option that says Uninstall a Program. In some views, this may appear under the Programs category, so if needed, just look for the Programs section first and then select Uninstall a Program. After that, you'll see a list of the software currently installed on your computer. This list may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of applications installed. Scroll through the list carefully until you find Google Chrome. The programs are often listed alphabetically, which can make it easier to locate. Once you find Google Chrome, click on it to highlight it. After selecting it, click the Uninstall option. Depending on your system, this option may appear near the top of the list or after right-clicking the program name. Windows may ask for confirmation before continuing, and if it does, simply approve the uninstall process. At this point, the Google Chrome uninstaller will begin removing the browser from your computer. Follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. In some cases, you may also see an option asking whether you want to delete your browsing data. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you plan to reinstall Chrome later, you may want to keep your data. If you want a cleaner removal, you can choose to remove it. Once the process is complete, Google Chrome will no longer be installed on your Windows 10 PC. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Google Chrome in Windows 10.